Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. This video is going to be very important for all the upcoming CSIR NET Life Science aspirants because in this video I am going to answer your question, most awaited question, then when the CSIR NET form fill up is going to start for the December exam. It's already November 9th. Today I am making this video at 7:30 p.m. and till this point we don't have any update on the form for December CSIR NET Life Science examination. So there are a few questions that might come in your head. One is whether the exam will be conducted or not. The answer to that straight ahead is obviously yes. CSIR is being preparing for all this, so it will be conducted for sure. The question number two is that will it be conducted in the December or in the January? Now here comes the catch. There is a chance that the CSIR NET can be conducted on the January because the earlier CSIR NET exam was conducted in July instead of June. Earlier the schedule was June, another one is in the December. This time the exam was scheduled for the July month of this 2024 year, and so considering the 6 months gap, there is a possibility that the exam can be conducted in the January. But even if the exam is conducted in the December, it won't be conducted, it will be conducted at the end of the December month, but that is really a tough call now because generally the CSIR provides 1 month gap between the form fill up and the admit card duration. So you think like 9th November to 9th December, so there is still 1 month left for all the works to be wrapped up, and CSIR don't give too much time these days for form fill up and all the editing and all regarding the form because it's all online mode now. So for that purpose the processes might be first and the exam may be conducted in the last week of December. But again there is a holiday, Christmas holiday from 25th to 31st. So considering that part to be out in the December month, what time it will be, let me tell you that there is Sunday is 22nd. So if you go with Saturday, Sunday, then 21 and 22, 21st and 22nd December, and then there is 28th and 29th December. So there is a chance that the exam will be conducted between these 4 days. And if there is any further delay, if there is a chance, because we don't know that, if there is any chance that the form fill up started starting after another 1 week, then there is definitely a chance the exam will be conducted in the January. But if the form comes out this week, which we suppose that the form should have come, released by tonight, by this Saturday, that was my idea earlier, because they always release form in the Saturday 7 p.m. but 7 o'clock has passed and they haven't released the form yet. So if in the next week if they release the form, then obviously there is a chance that the exam will be conducted in December. If the form is released after 1 more week, then there is a chance the exam might be little pushed to the January. If it is pushed to the January, then it will be second week of January, somewhere like that. But the thing is, the exam will be conducted for sure, and the problem with most of the students is that they lack focus right now as there is no form. They are not ready, they are not prepared, and what they do is basically they start panicking and they think like exam may be dropped, so your preparation is stopped. Please do not stop your preparation. Utilize this extra time frame. If you get any extra time frame, please utilize it. It's going to definitely help you for the revision part of the job. And as for every single session, Shomu's Biology online coaching program for the June 2025 batch admission has already begun. So if you join now, the classes will be from later from the January end, but if you join now, you're going to get the basic lectures and all the marathon lectures will be delivered slowly. The recorded version of the lectures will be provided, as well as you'll get an early bird discounted rate for the first 20 candidates. We're offering this rate, and it's filling up really fast. So if you wish to join June 2025 batch for CSIR NET, then you can join us. The number is there in this video and also in the description. I'm also tagging 2 links in the description. By clicking those links, you can see whether the form is updated or not. Okay, so the good news is the exam will be conducted by either the 4th date that I mentioned in the December, if it is released by this week, and if it's not by the next weekend, then it might be pushed to January. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.